Good afternoon, everybody. It's Bella here from Rach and Bella Crafts, and this is my third attempt at trying to make a video for today. So let me just catch you up because I can't undo it because I've already made certain things, but that's not a problem. I just want to say a big welcome to all my new subbies. Thank you for all your lovely comments, and a big hello to all my faithful subbies that have been with me for such a very long time. Thank you all so much, and thank you for your lovely comments. It's been amazing. It's been like a little whirlwind. But anyway, it's been a funny day because things keep happening, so I don't know what's going on. I'm just going to straighten up my thing a minute because it's annoying me. There we go. So I'm just going to get straight into this, and I'll show you what I've done so far. Well, I thought the camera was working, but it wasn't. It did video half of it, and it stopped because of the storage, and then I tried again, and then my phone said it had run out of power. So it's not been a helpful day, but we are overcomers, so we shall carry on. Now, what I've made so far, I made a belly band on here. I made 2 paper clip tags to go on there, like so. So that's those 2 on there. So that was that one, and I've got some paper on the back of there. This, by the way, these are out of my December Daily beautiful what's it called, December Daily tag journal. All right, and so that's where these 3, so it's 21, 22 and 23 that I'm working on. I've already done 24 and 25, so these are the last 3 of this set. Okay, so you can tell why I'm having so much trouble, can't you? Because I'm at the end of this series for these. So what we're going to do now, I've already got a pocket in there. That was done already, but I added this star out of Rachel's kit. These are from Rachel's kit. I cut out a load of more fussy cuts because this collaboration and the kit just keeps on giving. So I hope you're having as much fun as I'm having. So that's what I did on there whilst the camera was not running, and I did that on the back of there. These I've done like a little flip on there. I've stitched across there. Hasn't gone right the way through because I did stitch it, you know, without gluing it down. So the bottom one is glued down, and then I've got this piece on the top because it's number 23. So I'm hoping we're going to have lots going on this Christmas, and because lots of exciting things are happening in the near future, which I'll let Rachel tell you about, and hopefully I'll have plenty to write about. That's what I'm trying to say. So I put a belly band on there. That one's going vertically, that one's going landscape, all right, or portrait, whichever word you want to use. So let's decorate these up now and finish them off. All right. Oh, and I did put another paper clip one on here, and that goes down through there, which I'll show you in a moment. So let's just carry on. Excuse me, I'm having trouble with my asthma today as well as everything else, but we shall persevere. Now that's what they look like to start with, and then I covered them then with Rachel's papers, and then I've put in the little labels and the tags on the top. Okay, so that's double. I've just folded it over there, put the paper clip on, cut out a long strip, put it over the top, glued it on, and then joined those 2 together, but making sure that this part did not glue together. That was the part you had to watch. All right, so I'm sorry you missed that bit. Not a lot I can do about that now. So let's just finish off these lovely tags. Excuse me. And make it look pretty. So I think I was putting that one on there. I made these out of these squares that I bought from Oxfam of all places when we went away for that few days, and I did all that lovely shopping, which I've yet to put in my shop, and I've got to get a move on because, you know, I need to get them in my shop. I managed to get my journal on, by the way, and that's on. The link will be below if you're interested in the journal that I made. still in the shop. There we go. So that's going on there like that. A little bit of pretty. The only thing with this, it does fray a lot, and you end up with strands, but it's all part of the fun, isn't it? Okay, so that's that, because I felt it needed a little bit of dressing up. So this one, again, is from what I've just shown you, and it's really pretty. So there we go. So that, I think I'll put that straight on here, so I know where it needs to go. All right. I hope you're all well and enjoying the collaboration, because it has been absolutely amazing. And I'm trying to remember the lady I've just watched this morning. What's it called? Something Muse. You'll see it on the sheet anyway. She was, I don't know her first name, so I can't tell you what that is. But she was doing recipe cards, and she did a double spread. So go over and have a look, because it was amazing, absolutely amazing. I loved it. So that's that. So that's giving a bit of bling on there. I can move that up a fraction. Okay, so we've got our 2 paper clip. What are these called? Clusters or paper clip? I don't know. I don't know what they're called. So that's up there. That's there. Right, so that's that one done. So that one's finished. And then that'll go back on then the ring. Right, let's do this one next now, if I can remember what I was going to do. I think I was going to add a little bit of rickrack at the bottom. I'm using the 3-in-1 because, as I said before, I'm having trouble with my glue. Oh, it actually snowed this morning. Now, I live in Cwmbran in South Wales, and we hardly ever get snow. But we had a big flurry this morning. It's all gone now because it did rain afterwards. Rachel, I think, is snowed in up there in further up the valley, and so my other daughter Mandy, and so is my son, who was in London today at the farmers' demonstration, and they're on the way back. So I'm hoping they get home safely. And there we are. That's the rickrack on there. Look, see, the strands are sticking to my fingers. Now, let's decide. So that one's done. Let's decide now, before I glue anything on there, which topper I'm going to put where. I think I was putting that one on there to bring the green out. That one up there to bring the red out. Yes, I think that's what I was going to do. Whether this will actually stick, I don't know, because it's a bit lumpy. And Rachel missed her video yesterday, and we were really sorry. But she had a bit of sadness yesterday. She'll tell you all about it. That's my Rachel from Rachel Bella. She's my daughter, by the way. I don't know whether you all know this, but Rachel from Rachel Bella is my daughter, and I'm Bella, the mother of Rachel. See, there's lots of strands coming off there, but I'm not worried because this is my December daily, this. So it's not going in the shop, it's mine. So if anything goes wrong, I can put it right, can't I? So that's that. So that's going to go at the top. I thought that would be a bit jolly at the top. Okay, and I made a few of these, look. And that one there, I've got to put a button on. And I haven't put a button on that one. But these have got buttons. So I thought they were fun. So hopefully that's going to glue down on there safely. So that one's done. So this is going to be a quicker video than the first one I did. It took me forever. But never mind, it doesn't matter. You get the gist of it, don't you? All right, so that's those. So let me put that on at the top, and then that will give it a chance to glue down. I want it to stick out a bit at the top. All right, so that's going to go there like that, and then the top bit then will poke out, look. Okay, and I've got this, I showed you that just now, didn't I? And there's my buttons. Okay, now this one, I was wondering whether or not, oh, I'll do that last, wait a minute. So sorry. It's been a really odd day weather-wise. It's been really cold. And you know what asthma is like in the cold, those of you that suffer with it. Seems to do something to the back of your throat. So I have taken my puffer, but still catching me out. Right, that's one of the tags. That is actually on card, that one. Oh, I could have put that as a pocket. No, I won't, because it's the thing is going up and down, isn't it? There we are. That's that. I think that's straight. What do you think? Just checking your own screen. And this little one here, tiny, tiny one, I thought I would put in the middle of that one. Doesn't want to come off. I've inked these up already, okay? And that one can go on there like that. It's all right, it's only my ball pins. So that's that, and the green is bringing that out, and you've got green up there, we've got green there. Okay, and then I did wonder whether or not to put that over there, because I put this little ribbon. Now what I did here, can you see the little hole there? Well, you've got a choice, haven't you? You've got a big one and a small one. So that's the small one, that's the larger one. So I've used the smaller one on the crocodile. Okay, and I don't have the small eyelet, so I couldn't put an eyelet in there. But that has actually gone through. Let me show you. It's gone through that bit by there. I was very fortunate that it didn't hit that. So it actually went right through there in the middle. So I was very happy with that. And then that will go on there, and I think that would be rather pretty, don't you? So I think I will glue that on. And I think I'll put the glue on this, because I'll end up getting it everywhere otherwise. Takes its time to come down, doesn't it, this glue? Make sure I put plenty on, seeing as though I'm having so much trouble. As I was saying, the collaboration is amazing, absolutely amazing. I enjoyed Corey's. I've enjoyed them all. I think I'm all caught up. It's just one of today's, and because Rachel missed hers yesterday, we'll have 3 today. But that's all right, doesn't matter. Just take your time, watch them when you can. That's better. We've got the whole of December to watch them, haven't we? So there's no rush. Now, I can't put that in there yet. Yes, I do like that. And then that's going to sit on there like so. All right? So that's a really quick, short video for me. And I hope you've enjoyed it. So please give me a like and a thumbs up and a comment. Okay? So there we are. And these, I could actually put these back on my, if I can find the right number. Yes, it's on number 24, look. See, I've done number 24, excuse me, and I've done number 25. I think I've just got a little bit to do with those. I need to put some paper on there, and I definitely need to put some paper on there for Christmas Day, because we're going to stay with Rachel over Christmas, so that's going to be such fun. So I'm going to put 22 on next, because I think they're on, and I think that's staying on. And I better put the top on my glue in a moment. So that's that one. All right. I know they're on sideways, but it doesn't matter. Where's the hole? There it is. So isn't that fun? Now, isn't that fun? I tell you, that's great. So they're going to stick out the top, which is lovely. And then when I've done, put that one over there. Sorry, is this up in your face? Put that one over there. And then when that's dried a bit, that's it, that can go in there now, I think. I've curled that back a little bit there to make sure that it goes in. And you're just going to make sure that the one is, and then press it back down. There we are. How's that? Isn't that sweet? That is so sweet. Think of Angela when I see these, because this is Angela Kerr's ribbons. Fabulous. So there we go. I haven't inked around there. I must do that because that's what's looking so strange. I'll just put the lid on my glue. Just ink that if I may. And then she's all done. Hooray. Do you know, doesn't it make a difference when you ink the edges? I mean, this paper is very old because it's come out of a ledger book. But even so, for it to stand out like that, you need a little spot of ink on there. Yeah? There we are. Now, isn't that better? Yeah, that's better. Much better. There we are. You can see the two now. So there we go. And I can still write on there. That's no problem. And I can always take that off when I'm writing on there. My nose is itching, sorry. So there we go. That's done. As I say, go over and watch Rachel's video because she's got it up today. And watch the other two collaborators. That's right, number 23. And then you'll be all caught up. I've just got one more to watch. So there we are, guys. Isn't that sweet? Doesn't that look fun? And I'll do a flip through when I make sure I put all the backings on, because I've still got a little bit of work to do on the back of them. All right, and there you are. So I hope you enjoyed that. I know you didn't see me making the clusters, but there's lots of people making these, so you know how to do these, I'm sure. And I shall speak to you again soon, so take care for now. All right, God bless.